Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit online nomination for your SBI account in India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, I'm showing you this online method. You can also do it offline by contacting with your branch and they'll provide you a form that you can fill up and submit. But I'm going to show you the online method because it's like a confidential information too. So that's why instead of making it like a live video, I'm showing in the screenshot format. Okay. So when you log in, guys, actually both are from different pages. So I should show them separately. Yeah. So on the main, on the first page itself, you will have something like this. Okay. These options, my account and profile payment transfer. So here you'll say request inquiries. So you have to click here, okay, and then it will reach here, request and inquiries, okay. Here you will see this option that I have marked online nomination. Then you come here to this page, register nomination. Here in name, address, branch name, branch address, your details will be there. Under account number, nickname, your account details will be there. Then whichever account you want to use for nomination, just select that. It will show account type and branch. Click on continue. It will come for a form like this. Here you need to enter the information. Okay. Nominee name, DOB, nominee address. And in case of a minor, then guardian name, guardian details. Click terms, condition, submit. It will ask, it will send a one-time password to your registered phone that you need to put in the next screen, and that's it. It's gonna be updated right away. So that's how simple it is, guys. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.